Kasi Sir Mike din. Okay, so, I belated Merry Christmas to everybody in advance. Happy New Year to sa inyo dyan. And of course, happy birthday to Sir Mike. Okay? So, mamaya kaya ng party kayo. Alaki-laki natin. Okay, so, ayan, natapos na po yung birthday. So, wala pa yung mami, Sir Mike? Wala pa. Wala pa. Okay. So, makakapag mo tayo ng starting our fan game. Tignan mo, Sir Mike, talaga may pinaghandaan talaga ng parents mo at saka yung relatives mo ng party mo na to. Para gusto ka lang na i-surprise. Tignan mo, party mo, it's a Power Ranger kasi for them, you are a superhero, di ba? Ayan. And of course, di ba,